Audio Jungle.
Everyone, today we are diving into an exciting tutorial on how to integrate AI voice assistants into your website using Vapi. Whether you are a business owner looking to enhance users' interaction or tech enthusiast eager to explore the possibilities of AI, this tutorial is perfect for you. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process from start to finish, and the best part, no coding knowledge is required. Let's get started to the Vapi's dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will land onto the dashboard. Here you can manage all your assistants. Let's now create our next one, that is the website assistant. And let's just create appointment setter and create assistant. And you see the assistant being created for you in 2 seconds. And this is all that we need to do in this Vapi's dashboard. We just need the assistant key, and you will also require the API key, which you will find from here, the private key and the public key. Now let's head over to the Replit and see what code we can write for the website. So once you head over to the Replit section, you will find the code here at index.html. We have just written the status, speaker, and volume, a simple chat to see how the conversation has gone, and you can see any questions and the queries in the box section over there. And in the index2.html, the call button will be popping up and down, and you can just click on it and the assistant will be connected. In index3.html, if you see, there will be an ad which is popping, and if you click on that ad, you will be redirected to the assistant for the conversation. So you can just change the assistant ID and API keys, and your website is almost done. Okay, let us just run and see how this website works. So I will just click on this button.
Hello, this is Janice. How may I assist you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Hold on a sec. Sure, I can help you with that. May I know what type of appointment you are looking to book?
I want to hang out with my friends.
Just a sec. That sounds like a fun plan. Are you looking to book a table at a restaurant, plan an outing, or something else?
Yeah.
Let me know so I can assist you further.
Can I see the change in the color of the button there?
This'll just take a sec. The color of the button has been changed to a vibrant orange, #FF5733. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Thank you, that's awesome actually. So this is our first code that we have implemented, and now let us see the second code that we have implemented. So this is all that we have been speaking before, that a pop-up button that will be popping up, and now if you click on this, it will be connected to the assistant, and you can have a conversation.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Sailaja.
Great, thank you. Can I have your phone number, please?
So this is how you can have a conversation with our second HTML code that we have written. And now let us see the third one also. So here you can see a ad popping up down. When you click on it, you will be connected to assistant. So this is how simple it is. Just write a HTML code.
Hello, this is Mary. How can I assist you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Great, I can help you with that. Do you have a specific date and time in mind for the
So this is how the flow goes. I hope we have helped you in creating an assistant for your website. If you have any questions, you can shoot at us in the comment section, and we will be ready to solve your questions. Thank you.